Hi everybody, welcome to Nature's Masterpiece YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make Berberine-Jujube-Tee together. Ingredients we need are 10 jujubes, 2 tablespoons of barberry, try to have fresh barberries, and 2 glasses of boiling water. Now the first step is to put jujubes in water for about 30 minutes. To save more time, I've done this process before. So let me put this aside. Now the next step is to cut jujubes in half. Put these in a teapot. Add berberis. Pour 2 glasses of boiling water into teapot. Let us steam for 15 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, our tea is now ready. We can drink it with honey, saffron rock candy, or sugar. Here I prefer honey. It tastes very well. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.